In this video, we're going to cover the most common features of number fields. This how many field is a number field. Directly from the field, I can change the display title. I can add some tooltip text. I can click on required here to make the field required, which means the field must have a value or the record can't be saved. If I click on the properties icon, I get up the properties panel here on the right and I can make further settings. I also have access to the display name or the field title. I can put in a default value. So in this case 12, every time a record is created, the how many field would start off with the number 12 in it. That value can then be changed or deleted, but it would start with the default value of 12. I can edit or remove the tooltip text. And again, I have access to whether it's required, and I can change the error message you get when the field is left empty and it is required. So I could put in a slightly more specific message. Under the validation tab, I can set minimum and maximum values. They're optional. I don't have to have that validation enforced, but I could set a minimum value of 12, maximum value of 99. And again, I have the ability to set a specific error message. And under format, I can say whether or not this field is an ordinary number or a percentage, and also I can set the number of decimal places to display to. That covers the common features of number fields.